Okay, here's what we have. You can see that it's 92 degrees outside, 64% relative humidity and dropping. That's because it's so bloody hot, the moisture on the ground is evaporating. You can see the indoor temperature is 71 degrees and 56% humidity. And it's 12 o'clock, Saturday, June 30th. Okay, and now we're going to do a shot. All right. It's about 2 degrees difference. The emissivity of the probe is probably off a little bit, but you can tell the difference. We have 73 on the probe, on my infrared thermometer, and 71 on my indoor thermometer. Now we'll go check the door on the inside. Okay, so here's the inside of the barn door. And it's reading a nice steady 74 degrees. Let's check the foams part. Yeah, we have a consistent 74 degrees. And right now it's getting direct exposure from the morning sun. So let's go outside and check that out. The outside of my door. Now, assuming emissivity is off, you can see the temperature of the door right now. This is an easterly facing door, and I'm reading 123 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's warm. Here's where my sensor for the outdoor temperature, it's in the north side of the barn. It's always in shade. And you can see this side of the wall is 93 degrees. Here it's just about 3 o'clock. And the afternoon is warmed up a little more. It's 97 degrees at 57% humidity. Inside it's holding a nice 70. Very comfortable. Let's go check the door. Let's check the temperature on this now. Okay, it's the inside the door, 74, still holding strong. A little warmer, but it's hot outside.
Are you videotaping still? We're good? No, don't put your fingers in front of it, honey. All right, hit stop. All right, hit stop.